Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about qualitative and quantitative KPIs that are pre-configured in GermainUX for UX team to use. Our proprietary session replay is millisecond precise and 100% searchable, and our platform automates insights based on those pre-configured KPIs. So KPIs can be seen in the analytics folder here on the KPI section. In there, there's hundreds or thousands of KPIs depending on the environment you have. And so one way of finding the one that would be related to user experience is just by filtering on fact type and just looking for the UX keyword or the user keyword. And so here in this case, you'll find some of the KPIs that are associated with user experience and so on. If you want to, and you can review the SLA and other entities that are associated with those KPIs. If you want to view KPIs on a dashboard, for instance, here I'm just going to go on a pre-configured dashboard. Where you see a lot of user-related insights that are just driven by different KPIs, very specific for user experience. So here you have the user session replay KPI, browser freeze KPI, and so on. If you want to add any kind of KPIs to a dashboard, for instance, you would want to add a session replay. So you just go ahead and add this. You just whichever criteria, metrics, pivot that you would want to apply to that KPI, so you can slice and dice the data in whichever way you want. So that's another way. If you want more details on what are the KPIs available from looking at the documentation, you can search for user experience KPI. So here in this case, there is a page that basically lists out all the UX specific KPI. So I'm going to go there and I'll tell you a little bit about it. I think that's probably the best place to go to really get a complete picture of what's available in our product. So there is the very first portion of that page really just explains what are the different pre-configured KPI. But then when you go down into this documentation, you will see the measure that helps further analyze some of those KPIs. It's based on users, campaigns. So there's all different type of things in there that can help you slice and dice those KPI. And then you can also, there are pre-configured pivots available in the product. So then there's like a number of pivots which you can apply to the UX KPI. So all these things to help you further analyze users being monitored by GermainUX. I think that wraps up the KPIs for user experience teams. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, and hopefully that was useful. Thank you for watching us.